So another fun project we've gotten started in 2023. This is an old arts and crafts house, which you can tell from the detailing of the windows and the columns. And it's a historic district, so we're keeping those to the front, but we've got a big renovation inside. Let's see. We're going to eliminate those two windows. Why not just leave them? It costs more money to take them out than it does to leave them.
Not really.
Well,
To refurbish those?
And we have a window in the bathroom?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna lose this. So we're gonna remove and replace with a new
New
window.
ones, but not
So
going all the way down.
So here we are, we're walking into the entry. They've put this framing up in like 2 weeks. It's going super fast. But we created a little entry vestibule here. This is gonna be a vacation house for the most part. So we've got 4 guest suites, which is a little different from how we might do a usual home. So you walk in, this is gonna be a little entry area here. We're gonna maybe put like a little settee here. This is gonna have a big mirror. And then we use this to create a vestibule. These vestibules are always great to create because we can put all of our AC equipment over on this side, and then coming in through here, this is gonna be a door. And then this side of the house is gonna be the first guest suite on the main floor.
Every room will have a king bed,
I know,
okay?
so great.
Okay? Not a big room. Television.
Yeah.
I don't have room for a dresser underneath, and look how tiny my closet is. So my thought is, I know this is scheduled to have a door, but I'm kind of thinking of built-in or
We can do that. What do you think? I'm thinking maybe better on that wall so that this wall can still have kind of the 2 doors and be cleaner with the TV.
Perfect.
So
See,
maybe
that's
we do it in that wall.
okay. That you got a little extra dead space. So
Back to my closet right there.
Yes. So, I mean, I guess the other question is, if we don't need this here, if you think you have enough storage with your vanities, is to take this out and make this a closet, one big closet
I
in
would
here.
like that.
Okay,
Door over here.
then let's do that.
I would like that. And I don't even know if you need the door, you just have the opening, right? Do you need a door? You need a door to,
I'd leave the door, you don't want to leave the door over here.
okay, yes.
Or, if you want the closet in the bathroom, which a lot of people do because clothes are in the bathroom, the door could stay here, and then actually you could get an L-shaped closet. And then you could get 2 ways of,
Yeah, you could do that. Yeah.
you could get and eliminate the door. I'd almost do that.
I like that.
Yeah.
Because you could get more storage here.
I like that.
This door, close that off, gives you
Close
some
it off.
wall
Somebody
space.
All space.
Yeah,
We've
Do you
got
like
so
that,
many doors
Sandra?
in here.
yeah.
I like
Close this
that.
up.
And then let's do it from there.
Yeah, come in here, because a lot of people like their clothes in the,
Are you okay? You like that,
I like that.
Michael? Okay.
Yeah.
I think
I like that.
that solves the problem for me with
storage.
That's
More
more storage.
And then here, we're creating a bathroom, which we're gonna recreate these reconfigure these windows a little bit. This is gonna be another closet. This is gonna be a big shower right here. And then this is gonna be a toilet room. So it's long linear. We're gonna have vanity, tub, vanity. So we're gonna go down to 2 windows. And it's really hard when you're in the city with all these windows and not much landscaping on the side because you've got your neighbors right on you. So we're going to shorten some of these windows in the bathroom so you're not just looking out to each other. And then coming back around here. This is going to be kind of like a sitting room, and this was 2 doubles which had 2 staircases, so we created this big amazing moment with this big central stair. The stair looks great.
Awesome.
So pretty.
Yeah.
I know we went back every which way, but it looks so pretty.
What's this?
Just this.
Yeah.
So it's a 17-foot by 13 space.
Right? Be beautiful.
And then we put wheel skylights and not those little sun tubes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
Yeah. so cool.
Yeah.
Let's just do a whole glass ceiling. So we're at the top of the stair hall, and the contractor had a great idea, Sandra, it's so amazing, about opening this up to the roof and making this a big vaulted space with a couple of skylights.
Will it be cool?
Yeah.
And and
It'll be super cool.
it looks so much lighter.
Oh my gosh, this will be amazing.
Look how nice and
I
bright
know,
this
it's
is.
what you wanted.
Well,
Yay.
so come share with the windows as we go. Is that low?
Yeah.
Start up here if you want.
We start up here.
Okay.
Okay. So we need to do a little bit of budget management. And especially here, we
Yeah.
refurbish all of this.
Good. Great.
But we're gonna eliminate those two windows.
Beds are going on that wall and that wall. It was going to be off.
So why not just leave them? It costs more money to take them out than it does to leave them.
Not really.
We'll take
Refurbish those?
And we have a window in the bathroom?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So we're going to remove and replace with a new
New
window.
ones, but not
So
going all the way down.
Okay, can we, when you say a new one, like a completely new one, can we just cut this one?
Cut this one? Oh, yeah, no, keep the top one? Well,
So that it kind of goes with what's going on over
but
here?
there's a new one there too. So it'll be the same line.
Okay. You're gonna lose, like. Walking through here, we've got, this is gonna be a laundry room, and then this is gonna be a big set of double doors where we get into the main primary suite, if you were. Watch the hole. So from here, you're gonna be able to have the bathroom over here. Have the vanities here, and the toilet room, shower. And over here, we've got a big walk-in closet. In this area, this is going to be the bedroom area, and they just framed this up. It's going to be some huge pocket doors, and this is going to go into the sleeping bedroom area. And then back here, we're adding a whole bonus room with big vaulted ceilings, lots of windows. It's going to be used for yoga and workouts and all that kind of stuff. So that's the upstairs, and then we'll show you the rest of the downstairs. This is actually called pickling, isn't it? Is this pickling?
With the bleach.
The bleach makes it pickle, not the whitewash?
The white and the bleach mix it.
White and blue. Okay, so this is actually a pickled floor. I like the gray. I like the one in the corner.
You like the one in the corner?
Yep. White, gray. I like the corner. It was funny, after we did this filming, I actually had a client come over today from California who bought a house here in New Orleans and is completely redoing it. And we actually watched last week's episode because she was wondering what she too could do with her wood floors because she didn't like the red color of them. Yeah.
Loving.
Okay,
And
good.
you think we can do that here?
Yes.
Because these are the same pine.
Yes, easy.
And I think that rather than the dark, because I'm not going to go yellow, I'm not going red. Okay, so that pickle,
So good.
and we will wrap these beams in the same, don't you think?
Yeah.
Same
Yeah.
finish,
Yeah, that'll be great.
okay?
Yeah.
Dining room table, there, sectional, gorgeous brick fireplace, my old brick. French doors, French doors, French door.
Yeah. Both sides.
Well, this is,
Okay. No.
So, this, help me remember, we're gonna lose this. I need wall space to put a credenza to do something, and look at what I'm looking at. I know, I said, Wendy's not gonna like this,
No, that's
because you
okay.
wanted it completely to mirror image
No,
this.
that's okay.
You are.
But you're balancing it with
Yeah,
a piece of furniture.
Exact piece of art.
artwork and
Exactly, and I
it's all
need
good.
it. Right.
Because it's a piece of furniture and a
Yes.
piece of art.
Yes,
Yeah, so I think it's fine.
okay.
Again, like what we were talking about with the bedrooms upstairs, there's not a
You
window, we're gonna
justify it
balance
by,
it
you balance it.
with furniture. I'm fine with that, but let's not do another, I feel like we're doing transfers everywhere.
Okay.
So there's this beautiful color by Farrow and Ball and these are called Strong White. So I want to see what these look like with that color, but I do like this, and I like this bead detail. I'm not loving,
Oh, no, this was the detail.
I don't love this.
Oh, and I see.
You like it? You do?
Here it is, right here.
I just don't love it. It looks,
It looks what? Tell me, cheap?
80s.
80s. Okay. Okay. So this looks 80s.
Sorry, yeah, I'm not loving
Okay.
that kind of that curved cove.
That one.
Love that.
Okay.
This is too shaker.
Yeah, two shaker. That was just for color.
Yeah.
This was for color.
Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, this is.
No.
I do like the one. Yeah, I like the one you picked. I like this. That's beautiful.
For the doors and for the island.
And the color of the island. Yeah.
Okay.
And then the yard. This is going to be a porch all the way down to here, plus a swimming pool, which is going to be built up so you see the pool from the porch. And this is where that other bonus room is going to be coming up and over. It's going to be a fabulous place to come and enjoy Mardi Gras and Jazz Fest and Christmas and all those sorts of things we do here.
They take cash, check, and Venmo here. Tomorrow is discount day. Things are generally about half price tomorrow, which doesn't sell today.
Hey, Wendy.
What'd you find?
Well, let's see. So you can never have enough linens.
Linens.
Right?
We were coming for chairs and
We came
rugs.
for chairs, but I ended up with about 5 tablecloths. Damnest old tablecloths, but you can throw them out on a table, out by the pool.
That's right.
You got them in an estate sale, so you don't worry about them.
Still at the estate sale. Sarah's here now. What are we thinking, Sarah?
Who's standing on my what?
I thought this could be a cool old vanity. We don't have anywhere for it, but someone's house. I just don't have a place for it. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Put a sink on top of it, like a bowl sink. Mm-hmm. It'd be super cool.
I think these colors actually are really great.
Yeah, I'm not remembering like exactly. Oh yeah, you probably have pictures of it. Sarah's got her mood board.
So I think
Yeah,
that would
that
be
looks-
such. Look at here. Oh my, little land.
It works. It works. Okay, that's a deal.
So do we go ahead right now and make them an offer that they can't refuse?
No, well, we'd either have to buy it for the price now, which is $1,500, or we give them an offer, and she would call us tonight if we get it or not. Okay, I have a tape measure. Are you at the end of it?
Yeah, that's 12.
Yeah, it's 12. 10 by 12? Okay. Okay, so that's good.